It's snowing, 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 snowing. Look at the snow. Look at the snow. Look at the snow now. It's so far away. Jamaica got sunshine, and we got snowstorm. Yes, we got snowstorm, but that doesn't work. Look at the snow. Ooh, it's the snowstorm coming down. Oh my God. Just leaving work overnight, working on the graveyard shift. Working on the graveyard shift. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Graveyard shift. Coming tonight. Good morning. Huh?
You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. How are you? You have YouTube?
No?
Huh?
What'd you say?
You have YouTube?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you subscribe to my channel, please?
What's your channel?
Let's talk up your experience. So, can you find it? Right.
That's right.
See? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Right now I'm videoing.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too, my dear. I'm waiting on my ride. Yeah. It's snowing, snowing. It's heavy, heavy snowing. Look at me in the snow. Oh my God. What a piece of snow. Oh my God. Ain't nobody can ride in the snow. I need my ride to come now. Get me. So I can go home after graveyard shift. Yeah. After the graveyard shift. Look how deep the snow is. Oh my God. I hope this doesn't make me sick. Look at the cars coming up. They can hardly make it up the hill. Look at the wheels. It's spinning. The car's skidding. Can hardly make it up. Oh my God. Wow. Look, the man plowing the snow. Yep. Plowing, plowing, plowing. You see, I have to do all these snow videos, you know, because it's just the harsh reality of life that we have to face living in this country and working as a Jamaican, working in a country where you're born in in a warm climate and you migrate and come to live in a cold, freezing climate. It's not easy at all. It's not an easy road. Many see the glamour and the glitter, them think a better rose. What a beautiful tree. Look at that. So beautiful. Well, so far I just got 1 subscriber. Yes. Anna. Good morning. Do you have YouTube on your phone?
I don't think so, not as an app.
Okay. All right, here comes my ride. And he's just crawling up the hill because the snow is it's too icy. Yeah. Here comes my ride to take me home. There's no way I would drive in this snow to go home. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Have a good day now.
Oh my God. I'm in. Yep. Don't talk anything private. I'm on my phone. I'm recording. And it's going on YouTube. It's going up. I see you. Going on YouTube right there.
1. What? Did you say there was one up here going somewhere?
The 2 left. The 2 left. The 2 sisters, they left. They're going to Super 8. They left. They got ride, so they left.
There's supposed to be one up there going to Fremont Street.
Oh, I don't know.
I've got June in the car and I don't see the other one.
Another minute or 2 to make sure.
And I had 5 out of Microtel.
Okay.
They'll feel good when they see all those people coming now because they were worried about them not coming, showing up for work.
Well, they come out of their rooms on time.
Yes.
Sit up there for 20 minutes waiting for them all.
Music in the background. You wanna turn on that for me, please? Sorry about that. But the music in the background will kill my day. Yeah. Oh. They'll hear me talking in it anyway.
1.
What?
Still don't see anybody.
What's that?
Still don't see anybody
I'm
coming
not
out
sure
yet.
if anyone leaves.
Maybe we can call back.
Okay, I'm heading up.
Let me buckle up and get going. This is Talk Up Your Experience, coming live out of New York, live out of upstate New York, where we're having a snowstorm right now. It's terrible, guys. It's really, really terrible up here. So what's up?
How's it going?
I'm here. I'm here, my dear. And I'm trying to get this video going. And soon shut it off anyway. As soon as I get out on the main street with it.
is the kind of weather that I have to drive in when I'm coming to work. When it snowed. Look at the road, guys. Look at the roads. You don't know the road's different from snow. The road hasn't been plowed, you know.
Yeah, it's been plowed.
Yeah, on that side.
This side too, actually, but
It comes down again.
I can't keep up with it.
Wow. Wow. Complaining that my videos are too short. That's why I'm not getting the watch hours. So this is how it goes. Talk up your experience. This is a horrible experience right now. Look at the roads. Look at the roads. Because our friend Colin, I called her the other day.
Yep.
Don't call no name. I called her the other day and she didn't respond, but she called me yesterday. So she said she'd been extremely busy. So she said you are to call her sometimes. So when you see her don't call you, you are to call her. Because she's extremely busy. Look at the truck plowing the road. Wow. So you going to plow? So you going to plow?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God.
Too bad they couldn't see it earlier when it was really coming down.
Wow. Yeah, because it's like it was dropping like when the water dropping on you. So when I went outside, I had was to put my hoodie over my head in order to stop my hair from getting wet.
Coming down hard. But what time they said it's gonna stop? Tomorrow morning.
What?
That's what they're saying.
Then I'll have to call out from work tonight then, because I'm not coming to work in any snow like this. I never called out from work because of snow, you know. Well, if the cab will come for me, then I'll go.
snow on the road. And then it's gonna turn ice if they don't take care of it quickly. Causes a lot of accident. Some crazy drivers, like some crazy drivers we have back home. Whether rain, sun or shine, they just drive crazy.
You take your time, don't do anything stupid. You're
Right?
fine.
Exactly. That is so. Just got a subscriber, you know. I saw Timothy coming in and I'm like, you have YouTube? I was like, yeah, why? I'm like, I need you to subscribe to my channel. So he just went on his phone and did it right there and then. Talk of the experience. This is a horrible experience on the road. After a long night work. Heading home. Terrible.
How you doing, man? I'm taking June home. Oh, are you? Yeah.
Hi, Jay.
Oh, dude.
How are ya? How are you, my dear?
I put my Bluetooth in.
Oh, okay.
She's going live on YouTube with her phone. She's recording this.
I'm recording the snowstorm.
She's recording the snowstorm on the way home. And she's going on YouTube with it.
Wow.
We actually got 5 drivers today.
That's a whole lot. For this kind of weather, that's a whole lot. You guys gotta make use of it. A lot of people gonna call out anyway. A lot of people not gonna turn up for work because they're gonna use this as an excuse. Cause you know they don't like working. Lazy
They're
bums.
afraid to drive in a little bit of snow.
Yeah. Lazy bums.
Yo. You got clothes all done too?
Wow.
Good, then you guys have to go back out again later then.
coming down heavier, you know. You see?
Yeah.
Coming down really, really heavy. Mighty God. You should have texted my husband and tell him that I'm on my way home. That's a part of life, you know. You just have to see me when I get there. This is the main road. Alright guys, this is where the video stopped. Do have a great day. While I'll have a snowy, stormy night. Stormy morning. Or should I say a stormy day.